oko sign a contract at my Hafia club for 2 years after saying waba Simba FC area and on a contract I was Simba abewie. He was 24 2019 until 29 years old, versatile defender is set to join Asante.
That guy is very hard tackler. He is
on Ablo.
Asante Akosi. Very popular in Tanzania.
On Ablo. Ni subana is Ablo na.
Dani Ajima Prempena Edion.
On Ablo na namsa kwamba.
Aggressive.
Yeah. Wo bemem. Tuntumo we dina so fa enko mu a. Mo fa me catch us Asante Kotoko air plan say center back our versatile. Omo de meba. Obo DM ebo we. Na no na
ebi wo sa ebi wo.
Over. Na so Sambet me bo 6. Obetimi abo right side, obetimi abo left side nyina. Edu de adin obebo. Nti ofa. De da hono no nti Kotoko wie recruitment ni mienu ba. Over obi u kotumi akotumi yie. Wa be kot. Me nka se wasane.
Waka wasiso.
Me de me say wa ba be duru Ghana.
Yeah, me kwambusa ma okan.
Enra na owo stadium. Ofa we ye den. We oberhe bo ni bi.
Yeah.
Me de atoa so se ofa. Okopie mu wo eye Kotoko clubhouse ho.
So sisi aye kase o clubhouse.
That's okay.
Nti wona.
To the clubhouse one okoda nra. Ofa nchiremu no ye se enkomo ekoso. Ankomo ye de ekoso. Ndi Kotoko be fa bi aka ho.
Okay.
Na we afede ne ne egusu di akire. Over at ase. Nse me asem ne kase bebi amenimu o. Wo di bi ko kan wo de e wo asem. Nti o kina bi se da sori no man sign na. Unimi ni asem bi aka. Because me nyante so why medical. Me betena aka so of why medicals ana meboa. Because me nya information bi aso why medicals. The minim na but matured. Over. The bottom line is he's a matured player. One thing a common or Kotoko transfers in me said they are going for players omujidi so me ready for the job. Over majority omranti omujidi se mprempre nyanya adwuma no betimi ayi ni sesi ya de ama club. Enya omo a yembe so yemfen yenso yemfen. Coach Ogum ne na penkra nyina ofa. Omo nyina ka ni pense last season January transfer no manye ni yiye. Omuji tumi so manye ni yiye. Last year na mko fa kote ne eye Fatao Safi by Safi wentimi amba over ade ani jigu ye no. So this season Kotoko ucheke last season a kabe 8 matches to end the first round. Kotoko she Midiama or she Legon Cities. Unto she Midiama 1-0. Mukwala penalty. Or she Legon Cities 3-1. Or she Brekum Chelsea. Or she Haas. Or New Olympics ball draw. Or she RTU. Or she Bofo. And a FA Cup over. Or she Gold Stars. Into 8 matches. And Sunday be first round over. Kotoko win 7 ball draw 1. And he again said summer test the other hawk Kotoko betuno. But poor transfer am at the energy green. So this season Kotoko ase Adriana wase future stars wase Haas wakose dreams wabese gold stars oni medium about draw wase vision and wase accelerate into 8 matches just like last season. Last 8 Kotoko win 7 a ball draw 1 no. First round in Saberi Kotoko ase win 7 a ball draw 1. But in penny first omo made 2 last season be a day NC. So matured and ready-made players. You did say udi omo shemu afa and omo di omo ba be adwuma.
Was say I know him. His style of play is like Kojo Asamoah. Kwasi Asante based in Accra, Lakeside Estate. We normally call him Bibio.
Yeah, Bibio.
Obede kase ya.
Just from Poma
Facebook for no. Me the pictures ama Facebook for no.
Oh, okay.
Ti omunya na fast. To obede kase ya na
from me to say here. Me fast non confirm say onu. We the family say no fast. Non kase onu avanti.
Mo say picture the ba on Ghana for me bi na picture. Mo say no more Tanzania.
Okay.
So in the picture Uberu say on so kind Nicholas Jan.
Yeah.
Nicholas.
Yeah. Nicholas Jan.
James Coty.
And yeah, mekano.
No the sentiment omuni. Ditino. On omuni.
Say Nicholas ni.
On a shame finfin no. Akosi ni on a shame finfin.
Yeah, meka say Nicholas na wo say. Yeah, no drafts no.
No drafts.
Yeah.
and a quote in Sunni until ownership finfino. This are the guy.
Simba.
Some boss Simba.
But the picture about Kunsaba.
The decision is that they are going for matured players. Matured players are in praying on the same one Janeko. Now, some men call the profile, so the American is a versatile. We bring Kuma. Now, according to the editor, they may can the editor in Pepe me here in the video. One, with me boss a left winger. It was almost a seminal. Me shall see so me can left wing. Say and we pianko a chiri. So based on the profile, to boss a left winger. And with me boss as a defender over the left side. Versatile and you almost say as audition in so a versatile player to experience versatile and well traveled. South Africa about 4 teams and wako Tanzania. South Africa on the Oyadia Tanzania for it be foul and on the ablo ekudi agro kakra e Guinea. Nti Guinea recommendation abenti offer say anywhere ya oda sorry. Na sa wote sa Asante koroko pow eya branch bi say won toma eya ma enyo wanwa eno so account omo yo no so a koroko training on Thursday and Friday, not 2 players after some ball Ajete Daniel Ajete once I'm camp Yafe there was another player friend Mohammed honestly friend Mohammed influence on training. So those 2 players are still there. However, if you're China, if you're China, whether they will be part of the team or not will be made known because if I'm young and when said the technical team the decision on players are here justified no IMC and it may be and when we be tiam and also but maybe and miss on say may pay boy we din na info back we buy any so na me say we have the no so to say no am so baby ad info na koduru ho nti so no so be twa to no ade no so there's a confirmation the decision of the technical team on the players justifying them handing it over the IMC ma me nim say we na be bom no and e ba be sesa nkomo no or not but for me there minyanka kotoko fa be omo fa 4 ni nyina nkeye of omo fa 4 ni nyina nkeye because it's a long season. There was 17 matches at that. FA Cup yan and Chairman K5 se kotoko nje double over. FA Cup na how many matches? I can round 16, round 8, 4, that's semi and final. No so you 4. Into the 17 matches now, 21 matches. If only Kotoko beat me then at a double, and you should be consistent and competitive in all the matches. So remain consistent, remain competitive in all. If you want to do well, and you can do that if you have a deep squad. Of a quiet, one in the past squad be but could pray and a breach abo. Na kwami poku say. Once I better one come on I call from because in 5 matches was 4 goals. So in 4 matches was 5 goals. The ratio no cry even higher than that of Albert Amwa. Of about what in common I said. Good. Enti enye won so masem. Way through the way shame. Now Boama nyoma akoye.
So he is very strong and very skillful. I see you do can't compete him. I know. But Mr. Mo, Mama Minya Diwis, I mean, me person was said the Anna Franecano. Is it a matter of Kotoko na Mabreno? And I'm one Mokotokono because commentary me reading. I said, yeah, you better have a full answer to me. Oh, Kotoko Sani being Kotoko Sani. Yami Adum, no bid in the training Gazoko who play and so. No, I try to run her or Quajira kickback. What when you say I wouldn't play, wouldn't Debbie minimum. Only maybe a few minimum baby. And me, I'm not going to of a minimum baby. See, in the house, dear, say, and then say, Nipa bear me a course out of my year. On said, Miss Piba, because I needed to get to the name, not needing penile thing. And the uncanny, Buana Nidino, open Nidia Obre.
but God being so good yet me and na per the promise no of a boss and buy na akwese say mbodi ba akopɛ ahanti na me bo Asante ne pɛ because I promised the person say I'll just mention one name what you say but I said me bo Asante ne the profile na kan one go for hu na say I just tell you na say both full name. So let's see what will happen, whether Kotoko will really sign the players or not. But that is the story. Over. And then your you should be waiting on the Kotoko official pages because there will be more names on bet me there. Look out for Nana Bobo Kotoko Ejira Moabono over here now or met me Chamagu Kakra.
Sir, Zach.
Yeah.
I'm saying I'm in fact Kakra.
More fillers. Before we book no, you think more fillers. Yamia Martina. So ready to intend Dakobako.
Yes.
Intend Dakobako. It's a bisu a better fridge mo. Now, but no one abema and come with other picture not to sort or no quantity. Tinka, or met me to show my faster. You see, he's a strong guy. How near or height
or height
or height, but
Bibu. Yeah. It's a lady now, my friend from Madianas,
or a left footer. But the son and nobody can. I don't want to say almost a versatile.
Okay.
I'm not surprised almost every time because in the height, no. I just say it's a bit more center back. You know what I say?
Okay.
With the height, no. I just say he can play a center back. So I left for the center back now. You know. And see, they are saying say, made a report I've gathered from he's a very experienced. To no one knows what watch it. Watch it. He's a very experienced guy based on the report now. Omode Amaya. You know. Let's hope say Tino the guys there he comes in and because Andra on the team no call every Babayaro not the team in the bathroom. You poor match no.
Okay.
Not the team Kotoko team bathroom. This is information that say me man on the ground now me say Odi player nene Kotoko penyi no. But now me say na Odi ono man na kwetena bathroom mu and omo call a friend saying clubhouse wa and the obeys were clubhouse and Tino we are getting a friend saying we are getting the
Papa fridge machine a channel papa we share sister now.
Yeah. Oh watch another floor.
I almost see because you know so I idea you no be.
Oh there be say na adwuma dey na Tino these are things that
sometimes
you know it's good say transfer stage yeah
program na wa yeah
you know
tell me say me house this year measure
na yeah nti be try say house so you be for so
good
na ochina dey more
update
aba na bibia.
So Wafa, I think we also need a playmaker like a Nim Kujo type who is skillful, potential to dazzle fans and entertain as well as drain attack. Currently we only have one, which is Baba, who is not doing exactly that. We need a skillful playmaker. Chris Bell, Daniel, Chris, and your bad mum, Nyabako, Bema fans, no, and your Jiwo a year, I must say yes. Miniabar was ever be who was a Clementino. It's true. You can ask Awa Muhammad of Kotoko. He always play with him in Lakeside Estate, Accra. He's very strong. Joyce from Poma. Okay, Joyce. And that's what that's the entry. Why say there. I'm kind of so. Musu munya register no. Just a Kotoko register na dey okay. Right, Edinka.
Germany say official sa place on we na nka mu first kan nka mu no mfonko ba ashikwe. Olympics boy no.
I don't know is kasema na Olidia no.
Yeah, me nyankom. Honestly me nkom and I think say ye be kom na ahwe na bibia ye. Tino ochine ba me say me ka cho no yo bebre.
But mo share na post 30 the more e be bremba for now there 0536161607 0201941461 so je bi mo nyina no ne you are on board on Facebook Michael Ajiment do obian Kofi as usual Kodwo Pen amemfa kakra na hello good evening.
Hello opa
me ba jo udi o menia
bajo praise usuna bombe
yo Kodwo
na majuma so
juma da se
has the as a be on time, man send the account.
Be mantina na me kra make say bi ba me hit ni nyina mampa be my dear. E bia no munya gidigidi bia sa.
My son
Oh, sir, e bia coach ni gini die ni dia hia so besa bebre. Oh.
no more.
Asemo, we are very fine. Right. What else you that's a familiar. Okay, you got another line. Hello, good evening.
Clementino Kalimbo.
Oh boy, give me